Srimati Aparna Ji, Secretary, Department of Pharmaceuticals, Consul General of United States here in Hyderabad, Mr. Joel Reifman, my dear friend Jeff Martha, Chairman and CEO of Medtronic, Mr. Bob White, Mr. Chris Lee, Dr. Rick Kunz, Mr. Mani Prakash, Mr. Madan Krishnan, Mr. Divya Joshi, Sri Jayesh Ranjanji, to Team Medtronic and its partners and my colleagues from the government and friends from the media. Firstly, I hope, Jeff, you didn't set your office on fire because I know this is the first time you've done something like this. But I'm sure you kept it safe. But nevertheless, I just wanted to make sure you're safe. Good morning to you, for those of you who are in India, and those that are joining us from United States and elsewhere. A good evening to you. I'm delighted and honored to be here today to inaugurate the new state-of-the-art facility, the R&D Center, the Engineering and Innovation Center, as we call it, MEIC. As Joel pointed out, today Medtronic joins a marquee list of companies that have made Hyderabad their second largest home outside of their headquarters. And that marquee list includes Amazon, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Apple, Uber, Salesforce, Novartis, the list goes on. Now I'm delighted and honored again, like I said, that the largest research and development center outside of the United States for Medtronic also is now based in Hyderabad. It's a matter of great pride for not only Hyderabad and Telangana, but also for India as a country. Medtronic, like I pointed out, has been a story that has shaped up and evolved in India, and as Divya pointed out, over the last, 10 years or so. Now, when we had made the announcement in August 2020, the announcement was with respect to investment of about $160 million into this new facility and employing more than 1,000 professionals over the next 5 years. I had the pleasure of announcing this investment last year, even in the midst of pandemic, and I'm honored that within a short span of 11 months, you guys have in fact stuck to the goal, stuck to the vision of your leadership team, and I would like to commend Jeff Martha and the entire team of Medtronic Global Leadership for keeping up their commitment with Telangana and India, and more importantly for keeping up the date in ensuring that this happened at a very brisk pace. This center, MEIC Hyderabad, already serves as a global hub for development. As I walked in, I was shown a number of global patents that have come out of this fantastic institution in the last 10 years. Further, more than 150 plus patents and 400 plus IP disclosures globally. I'm sure that the state-of-the-art R&D and engineering center will continue to contribute to the global aspirations of Medtronic and to global health in general by also contributing significantly to the intellectual property. Hyderabad's position as a life sciences capital of the country and the world is only getting strengthened with each passing day. While the city and the state's contribution in vaccines and pharmaceuticals is unmatched, the city is also emerging as a medical devices capital of India. And I'm thankful to Srimati Aparna Ji for her kind comments with respect to the support of Government of India also in furthering this cause. In 2017, the state commissioned the country's largest med devices park, which today has more than 40 companies setting up units at Sultanpur near Hyderabad. We are seeing increased interest from companies, investors benefiting from the production-linked incentives of Department of Pharmaceuticals, Government of India. Since we have the Secretary, the Department of Pharmaceuticals with us today, I wanted to highlight to Srimati Aparna Ji that a design and development of high-value med devices will serve as a crucial value contributor to the efforts of making India the leader in this space, and will eventually accelerate manufacturing in this sector also in our country. Hence, it is my humble request through you to Government of India, Madam, to consider the incentives and continued support to the companies which will engage in development of medical devices in our country. I strongly believe innovation and research and development will hold the key in accelerating growth of this sector. We need to adopt an India for the world approach. Since the size of the local market is relatively small, we must also make the local market attractive and viable through improved insurance and reimbursement and consistency in policies. We at Government of Telangana have taken a holistic approach to the medtech sector with a strategy to focus with a strategy focused to innovate, scale up, and manufacture. In order to boost innovation, we have taken various initiatives, including establishing incubation centers focused on medical technologies, hand-holding support, technology partnerships, access to testing and regulatory facilities, etc. As a result, I am glad that Hyderabad today is emerging as a hot spot for medtech innovation benefiting from the progressive government policies, abundant talent pool, extraordinary infrastructure, etc. It's a matter of great pride for us that in the life sciences sector alone, Hyderabad today is serving more than 1,000 global innovators in their vision to improve healthcare and research and development around the globe. And Medtronic's footprint in Hyderabad serves as a testimony to Hyderabad's growing R&D prowess. We are fully committed to positioning India and Hyderabad on a global map as a leader in med devices development and manufacturing. We are on the path to realize our dream and vision of growing the life sciences industry to over 100 billion by 2030. And I believe the med devices sector will play an extremely important role in this aspect. Inauguration of this new MEIC site will boost Telangana's medtech plans and cement Hyderabad's position as the med devices hub in India. I'm confident that the Medtronic team will continue to grow from Hyderabad, not just on the development front, but also, hopefully, in the future, establish a large manufacturing base in Telangana. I once again would like to congratulate the entire team of Medtronics, led by Jeff Martha, on the inauguration of MEIC. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to all of us and inspiring us always. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I now request Mr. Madan Krishnan, Vice President and Managing Director, Medtronic India, to kindly please propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you. Namaskaram. It's a great, proud and happy day for all of us here in Medtronic and in MEIC and all over India, I would say. It was more than 2.5 years when Chris Lee, our President of Asia Pacific for Medtronic, brought the R&D investment discussion into a QBR in India with Omar Ishraq, Subbu Mangipudi and I presented on what India offers in terms of talent and capability in terms of cutting-edge R&D. And the discussion went forward with great amount of support from Jeff Martha, our CEO and Chairman, and Bob White and all the other ExCom leaders. And I'm really thankful for all that effort by the project teams and everyone involved to make that vision into a reality today. I really want to thank Honorable Minister K.T. Ramarao Garu for gracing the occasion as a chief guest. Your inspiring leadership, your vision, and your positive energy is really infectious. Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to your continued support as we scale new heights in the center and in our investments in India. I want to thank Secretary Aparna Ji for Department of Pharmaceutical, our mother ministry, for the positive energy and the enthusiasm that she brings in, and also for very strong focused approach in terms of how receptive environment that she's creating is inspiring also. The collaborative nature and bringing all the people together, I'm confident that we can work together to create a vibrant healthcare ecosystem in India, Medtronic and the Government of India and Government of Telangana and other governments working together. I want to thank Consul General Joel Reifman for gracing the occasion and for all the support, being based here and supporting us with our endeavors. My thanks to Sri Jayesh Ranjan ji. I think your execution capability and your say-do ratio is very high. And to Shakti Nagapanji also for, again, working with us hand in hand every time, 24/7, whenever you need any access to any one of the leaders, to Jayesh Ranjanji or to the minister, it is possible and available, and that is what the say-do ratio is very high. I want to call it out also to Jeff and to the team that, Jayesh ji and Shakti, the global team, in addition to R&D team leaders, even manufacturing leaders like Jerry and Francois are big fans of their commitment and their endeavors. I want to also thank Jeff, our leader, Jeff Martha, for his support, mentoring support, and all his valuable guidance to scale up this initiative. to Bob White, to Chris Lee, to Rick Kuntz. I know that Noel Colon, our head of quality, EVP for quality, is also on the call. To Noel Colon, and to all the project team members in MEIC and Global across functions, from facilities to the laboratory, scientific technology teams, to finance, HR, and all other teams. It's a complex group effort, and I'm confident that the sort of a can-do attitude and the camaraderie that we have created, the high say-do ratio we have created, the dynamism that we have displayed, will, as Jeff and Minister mentioned, will propel us to take healthcare further together in India and worldwide. And I'm confident, as this is a lighting of the lamp signifies a new beginning, a new dynamic beginning where we will really drive innovation and access to healthcare. And I wish MEIC all the very best, and thank each and every one of the stakeholders who have been supportive to make this investment a success and its continued sustenance and success. Thank you very much. Namaskaram.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Madan Krishnan, for talking to all of us. I now invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Jayesh Ranjan. Kindly please step forward along with the dignitaries for a photo opportunity to get the best of the pictures. Yes, for our social media platforms. Can we also have Mr. Jeff Martha on screen, please, and our other dignitaries? Srimati S. Aparna, if you're here, if you can just please come onto the screen. Yes, my dear friends, you shall witness this wonderful event on YouTube. It's already live on YouTube, and also on our app Yammer. And then again, all the posts will be available on the social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, with the hashtag Namaskaram MEIC, and also please do tag at Medtronic India. Yes, I request everybody to kindly please look at the center, the camera right there. If, yes, our honorable chief guests, ministers, if you can please. Thank you so much once again to our honorable chief guest, Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, and all our dignitaries. Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedules to be present here with us. Yes, my dear friends, please go ahead and click your own selfies from the photo booth available, and you can also log into the user guide and take your pictures, and do not forget to post it on Yammer and also on our social media platforms with the hashtag Namaskaram MEIC, and then again also do tag us at Medtronic India. Thank you so much, and we shall see you soon. Thank you.